You're managing your first property development. You've secured the deal, hired the contractor, and the site is ready to go. But who's going to actually handle the day-to-day? Is that something you're going to do? Let's dive into what site management actually involves and whether or not it's actually worth taking on yourself. We'll break down what being a site manager actually means. Firstly, there's overseeing the daily operations, making sure work is progressing, sorting out issues, and keeping the site running smoothly. Then there's coordinating the trades. You can't have plasterers turning up before stud walls and electricians have been in and done their job, and every trade relies on each other to stick to the plan and stick to the coordination. Next, materials. If your materials don't arrive on time, the whole site can potentially grind to a halt and you'll be liable for those costs. And if you order too much, again, there goes the budget. You need to manage these costs on a more or less daily basis. If you're not experienced in forecasting or negotiating with suppliers, it can cost you more. Finally, there's the timeline. Construction rarely goes to plan, so you'll be constantly adjusting schedules to make sure deadlines are met. Could you do this yourself? Absolutely. But every minute that you're dealing with late trades or chasing suppliers is a minute that you're not focusing on finding your next property, or it's going to be time you're taking out from your day job. That's why experienced investors hire professionals just like us. We make sure the site runs smoothly so that you can focus on the bigger picture. Whether you're new to property investing or if you're ready to scale up, don't let site management slow you down. Let us handle the details while you focus on your goals. Visit TWMHdevelopments.com and let us see if we can help you.